I'm Carrie Lynn, and I'm here to talk to you guys about the Recorder Resource Kit. This is a massive product that has a bunch of really great resources, and it's perfect for teaching the first year in Recorder. We're going to start with the Teacher's Guide. So the Teacher's Guide is really great because it has a bunch of teaching tips at the beginning. So it has game ideas, composition ideas, but it also has, for every single song, the chords at the top so that you can play with ukulele, guitar, piano, as well as an accompaniment for tone bars. So for example, for a side step, we would use the tone bars G and D to create an ORF arrangement or just a tone bar arrangement. Included with the package, there's also reproducibles. So we have the Mad Minute package. There's also the Recorder composition worksheet and the solo assessment rubric as well, and a Recorder quiz to end the whole unit. Another part that's included in the reproducibles are all 38 songs with kids' notes. The second last part that's included in the reproducible package are all 38 songs with a harmony part added to it. The harmony part is for the advanced students, while the melody is for your newer beginners. The last part of the reproducible kit are all the flashcards. So the flashcards go from low C to high E, which is the range of the book. And finally, to finish the whole product off, we include a digital resource that has all the materials but in projectable format. So that's the Recorder Resource Kit 1. This is the perfect resource to teach for your first year Recorder players, and the 38 songs are perfectly sequenced so that every student has success from the first day. For more products, visit us at musicplay.ca.